Hello everybody, this is Linda with Fast Newsletters. This tutorial is designed to show you how to convert your email newsletter into a web page that you can put into your own website or into an email that you can send through other email marketing services other than MailChimp. And you have to do this conversion process because the HTML that's inside the MailChimp template will change when it goes into different programs. So we're going to show you how to make it so that it looks exactly like it looks when you mail it out to your clients through MailChimp. First thing you're going to do is you're going to go in and edit your template as if you were sending it to people through MailChimp. Now you can still go ahead and do that. You can upload your clients into MailChimp and send this email directly to your clients from here. But if you also want to add this to your web page, you have to take these additional steps. So let's suppose that you have already gone through the customization process. You've made all these changes throughout. You've updated all the emails and all of the information related to your clients. Now you're going to come down here to the very bottom. You're going to remove this piece right here because this piece is not going to be picked up on your web page, and you don't want it in there if you're going to send it out through a different email client. It'll just look exactly like this, and none of this information will be filled in. So for now you can just strip it out just by hitting delete. If you want it back in, if you didn't mean to do that, or if you haven't sent it yet to your clients, you can simply put it back in by going over and grabbing the footer bit. Okay, so for now we want to eliminate that so it's not picked up on the web page when you put it over into your website. Then we're going to save and exit. Now here it is again, but instead of going into edit this time, we are going to click on this little down arrow right here, and we're going to go to export. Don't worry, I've got all of these steps written out and I'm including them in the download page for you. You can open this file in whatever default browser you use. I happen to use Firefox. You can use Internet Explorer or whichever one you use. Go ahead and open that and it will show as a web page. Once this shows up, it should look exactly like the email that you send out to your clients. Now what you're going to do is you're going to put your cursor somewhere on this page and you're going to right click. After you right click, you're going to look for something that says view page source, view source, page source, or source. The word source is what we're looking for here. We're going to open that. Once that's open, just ignore all this for right now. Go into edit, select all, then copy this. That's all you need to do. Just minimize that window so you don't have to look at it anymore. Once you've done that, now you have the raw HTML that you can put into your own website or you can put into an email client. However, because you've got CSS, which is the coding behind the HTML that makes it look the way it's supposed to look. So it gives you this, for example, this gray here and this blue here and this particular font and so forth, is all based on the CSS coding. Now that coding gets stripped out in Gmail, it gets stripped out in Top Producer, it gets stripped out even on some websites. So you have to do something called Inline Css, which is tedious and extremely challenging. Thank goodness MailChimp has come along and they provided us this great inliner tool. All you have to do, and again this address will be in the instruction sheet that I add to the download page. Go into the inliner tool, go down to the window. It says paste your HTML here to convert. Just paste what you just copied. Wait a second, hit the word convert, and then go down to the bottom of the page and it says, wow, boom, below is your code with all of your CSS inline for proper rendering in email clients. Yay! You can put your cursor right there, slide all the way down to the bottom. Shift, hold the shift button down, click your cursor again to highlight everything there, right click, copy. Now you're ready to put this directly into your website or other email client. I've got an old GoDaddy website builder free account here that I'm just going to show you how this works. Now you want to make sure that when you're adding the HTML that you're adding it through the code function of that page instead of the visual function. So you need to find something that looks like this. These little triangles are the indication that you're going to be putting code in, HTML code. So find that in whatever website you're using or program you're using. and then go into that window that they will provide and paste your entire HTML that you just copied. Now this is the Inline CSS HTML, not the raw HTML. Click OK. Voila, there is the email newsletter, and now we'll just preview it to see how it looks in a web page. And it looks exactly the same as it did in your email. Alright, if you have any questions about it as you go forward, or if you get stuck, or if something isn't working the way it's supposed to, send me an email and we'll see what we can figure out.